Welcome, sir, to our inaugural edition launch. My first question would be, do you think bringing private security in aviation sector is feasible or going with CISF would suffice?
This is a very good decision actually the government has already taken to bring private security into aviation sector because the engagement of the CSF into the internal security applications is becoming more and more important, which the government I think is thinking that these very highly trained people, those are CSF people, can be engaged in much better internal security challenges, and the aviation security can be given to the private sectors. In the sense that there's nothing much great about it that private security agencies, if they are trained properly, if they are trained as per the aviation standards and all that, and they can perform equally good. Equally good. They're already doing. The government MH has started a hybrid model. Under a hybrid model, almost 50% of the operations is given to private security, and core area is still with the CSF, which core area is not that difficult to handle because the private security people knows how to handle various kind of equipments like scanners or bomb detection systems and all of these. These are being handled already by private security organizations and larger corporations. So the private security, if it's trained, they can do much better job. We are already, initiated discussion with the Rashtriya Raksha University to bring better courses to handle aviation security. This is cost effective also, and much better, much better. This is a possible. Yes.
Thank you, sir. My next question would be, do you think geopolitical scenarios impacting private security?
See, geopolitical scenario in any country will definitely impact the security of the people, security of the institutions, rather total security at a very large canvas also. Anything happening in any country will definitely impact the people, the properties, or assets and all that. So wherever there is issues like geopolitical issues, there is a conflict area, there is a agitational area, there is a huge challenges which world is facing. Well, that definitely will have an impact on the private security. But more and more private security is then required. Then more and private security is required to deal with all those such conflicts nationally or internationally.
Thank you so much, sir. It was great having you.
Thank you.
And thank you so much, sir.